Jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni sirikal ok dhi mbeko tol e lweny mar maundu mar duoko arita kare e gweng'a ma Kerio Valley kod gwenge mamoko ma maundu ogoe tach. Murkomen owacho magi e sama okwedo nek mar Father Alois Cheruyot mar kanisa matot e gwenge mag Elgeyo Marakwet. Koloso e gwenge mag Nandi, oseyo maundu no moserocho ngima jodak ma Kerio Valley kosingo goyo lwenje njore motingo kwe kuo mag jamni.
The governor for Nandi County he said he's good.
He will stop at nothing, and for the sake of the name and the blood of Father Alois Cheruyot Kibet, we will go forcefully to make sure that we get rid of everyone who is going to carry a gun and terrorize people in Kerio Valley region. So I have no doubt in my mind, the work we have started, we are not going to relent. We are not going to stop at anything. Even the work that we did from last week, it will continue. We will not stop because we must honor those who have lost their lives seeking for peace like Father Alois.
Hao ambao wameua padri wetu walikuwa wanajaribu kuretaliate kwa sababu tayari umeweka operation kubwa, umeanza kuwaua wale majangili, wanajaribu kutafuta yule ambaye itaumiza community ili ati serikali isiendelee kufanya hiyo operation. Na sisi tunataka kukuambia kutoka hapa nyumbani Nandi, can you continue focusing and eliminate Kerio Valley of all those criminals so that we can be able to have peace not only in Nandi but across the country and more so Kerio Valley.